Got the first one of the day. This one just might be a keeper. Ooh, he came off. There he goes. Second one today. Lost the first one. Let's see if I can get this one in. We just got word that they just stocked Riverwalk. Oh, fish on. Let's go. First one of the day. On another one, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Whatever time it is you guys are watching this, I want to welcome you guys back to another video, Hook 'em and Book 'em Outdoors, where I do a lot of outdoor activities such as fishing, hunting, camping, obstacle mud running, off-roading in my truck. So with that being said, welcome guys. If it's your first time, remember to share, like, and subscribe, and let's get on with today. So today, as you guys can see, I'm here at the Aqueduct with the Pearl Harbor sun rising in the background. Looks really awesome. It is like a red orange, so that looks really awesome. So the plan today, guys, as you see, I'm fishing the Aqueduct right now. I got one pole set up with a big chunk of sardine on a hook on a drop shot setup. So I got that one set up right now, and and on my other pole, I'm gonna get out there and lure fish with the fluke. So let's get out there and let's get fishing. So appreciate you guys watching. Remember to share, like, and subscribe, and let's go get them, guys. So on my other setup, I got my bait caster, my ugly stick bait caster with a 20-pound braided line to a swivel to a 15-pound mono leader to a half-ounce J&T jig head with the white pearl fluke paddle tail. So I'm going to use this today. Throughout the day I'm going to use it and throw it out there and see if we can hook up. So let's go get them. Here's the first cast of the morning, guys. With this morning and that sun rising, just looks freaking awesome. It is a beautiful morning here. So nothing on the first cast. All right, that was just a warm-up. Man, but that view looks awesome. So I'm out here at a spot that I've fished for a few years now, but I've never been able to pull out a fish here yet. So let's see if I can get something out of here today. Fish on, guys, I got him. Let's see what we got. Got a little striper. All right. Got the first one of the day. This one just might be a keeper. Ooh, he came off. There he goes. So what I got him on was the White Pearl Fluke Junior pedal tail with the J&T jig head, half-ounce. So that's what I got him on. We're gonna keep throwing it. Fish on, guys, I got him. Feels like a keeper. Oh yeah, it's a keeper. Let's go. Second one today. Lost the first one. Let's see if I can get this one in. Let's go. Come on. You ain't getting off, buddy. Relax. Relax. Just let it happen. Just let it happen. Don't worry, buddy, you ain't going nowhere. Come on in, buddy. Sorry guys, you have to excuse him. He's a little camera shy. Come on, buddy. There he is, guys. Got the first one of the day. All right. Woo! There we go. Got him on the J&T jig head, white pearl fluke. There it is. This one's a keeper. Let's go. So here we are. We're gonna measure them. Let's go. All right, what do we got? All right, looks like we got 19 and a half inches. Yeah, about 19 and a half inches, guys. All right, so we got a keeper. Let's go. Well, midday update. I just found out, I just got word that they just stocked Riverwalk here in Bakersfield, California with trout. And not just any regular little trout. They stocked it with really big trout. From what I've seen, they're really nice big trout. So we're gonna head on out from all the way over here to all the way over there, which is about 20-30 minute drive. So and then we'll probably come back out later and see if we can hook up on more stripers. But till then, let's get on out there and let's go get some trout. See you guys back in a bit. Stay tuned. Let's go get them. Well guys, we're here. I got my setup already with the Carolina rig, egg slider to a leader, 15-pound mono to a mice tail. So that's how I have it rigged up. So let's start out there and see if we can hook up. Let's go. Next, I got my bait caster with a rooster tail. So I got 1 and 1. I got 1 bait and weight, and I'm gonna be lure fishing with the rooster tail. It's gonna be the 1/6 ounce. Let's throw it out there. It is a beautiful day with a lot of people here at Riverwalk. A lot of people. I think we're about to get a fish, guys. I think I just got a hit. Oh, there he goes. He's on. Oh, fish on. You got him, guys. You got him. Got him on the mice tail. Let's go. First one of the day. There he is, guys. Got the first one today. Put him on the stringer and throw it back out there. Got them on the mice tail, the white and pink. Just throw it back out there and hook up. Everybody's pole is going off. On another one, guys. Got him on the mice tail. Woo, it's a good size one right here. Alright, bring him in. Pretty trout, pretty trout. Woo, there we go. There he is. Got him. On the same pink mice tail. And what I'm using is just these white heads with the pink tail for the trout. All right, guys, number 2. Let's keep going. Let's keep trying.
This thing almost
Thank you, guys.
No, man, you're welcome.
This thing almost pulled me in the water.
Really? Oh, wow. Well, thank you. Appreciate it. There it is, guys. This one was just given to me by these lovely people over here. This is a big old rainbow trout, guys.
Is that a rainbow trout?
Yes, it is.
Do they stock that? No way.
Yeah, they stock it.
Oh, no.
All right, guys, Christina came out of work. She's here. Give me a thumbs up.
My lunch.
Oh, she's on her lunch. So she's gonna give it a shot over here and see if she can hook up. Let's go. Alright guys, I thought I'd give you an update. The bite has slowed down a lot due to a lot of these people being here. So if ever you guys are here in the Bakersfield, California area, or wherever you're at, or whatever city you guys live in, if ever you guys hear your local lakes or ponds getting stocked with trout, immediately you want to get there, because it is one of the best times to limit out and get a lot of fish. So with that being said, the bite has slowed down a lot. I got here within about maybe I don't know, about 45 minutes to an hour after they stocked. I hooked up on the 2 and that other one big one that the family next to me gave me. So that's been it so far. The bite has slowed down even with those around me. So there's still a lot of fish in here, a lot. There's a lot of lightning in here. So we're gonna keep on fishing and see if we can hook up. So, all right, guys, I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna go ahead and call it. It's getting late, it's getting cold. Bite slowed down a lot. So as you guys know, I was out at the Aqueduct this morning. I hooked up on that one striper. It's 19.5 inches. And once I found out that they were stocking here at Riverwalk, I went ahead and smashed over here, drove over here real quick as fast as I could, and was able to hook up on 2. So if it's you guys' first time, remember to share, like, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys next time. Later, guys.